Alright guys, so let's get back at it, right? So we still got a couple of things that we still gotta do. We got the card container in, right? And then now we did the top, which is like the profile info area. And then now we're going to put in the image, right? So let's do instaclone and then let's do npm start. Alright, there you go. So that's where we left off. Hold on. Let's see. Alright, so this is where we left off at. Okay, let's bring this out. Cool. Alright, let's see what else is next. We got the image that goes here. And let's search. Let's say Instagram dot. Sorry about that, guys. I guess it got a little bit crazy. Then this one. Alright. Alright, let's go to instaclone, public. Here, let's do a folder. Image. Let's see. Karuchi. Alright. Alright, so let's say card header. Now we're here. Let's see. Okay, so let's call this content image. Let's say content, right? Just leave it at that. Now we have content and what else? So in here we're gonna do this. We're gonna say, hey, image source img Karuchi. I don't know what's the file, PNG. Alright, cool. Now let's open up the SAS, go to source, container, send inside the card. Cool. Alright, so let's do content image. So the image inside the content class, let's do this with 100%. Okay, let's see, why isn't this? Yeah, there you go. Alright, so you see, you got the image there, right? Now, let me check. What else am I missing? Alright, so we got the 27 likes. And then from there, this, okay. Okay, let's get back to this thing. Adam. Alright. So let me put this to the side just in case I want to click on it later. Alright, so we have this, right? Let's do it like this. I'll do another one. Let's do description. Alright, description. And then we're going to say div likes. Let's put 21 likes. Alright, 27 likes, whatever. Let's see. And then we're going to say dev class description. Let's name this just footer, alright? Card footer. Yeah, card footer. And then description. And what else? We got the description. We got comments. And okay, alright. Description. And then we're gonna have class form. Alright, let me see what else. So in the description we have the username and then just brief description. Okay, so let's say like that, username, and then inside of it we can say, hey, just beach squad. All right. Alright, let me see what else. Div card. Card footer. Okay, why am I outside? Must have been card. This should be inside. I don't know why. Let me see, why the hell? There's always gonna be issues, guys. Like, there's something that you have to know. There's always gonna be some type of issue. I'm trying to understand why this thing is outside of it. It should be inside this container. Let me try. Okay, content card. Slash footer. Let me see. It's because of the margin, so let me see. It should be, I don't know right now why the hell this thing is not going inside of it. Sometimes with HTML and CSS it becomes a headache in situations like this. I know it's something to do with the margin, but this thing should go around it no matter what. Let me see. Yeah, it did it, but now it's doing this thing. Let me see. Let me try removing from the P description. Overflow auto. Delete this. Alright. Let's try doing this like this. On the car footer, we're gonna put a padding. Let's say 15 pixels around. Okay, I might have like a set height. That's what it was. So that's why I was like, you know, no matter what, it's never gonna grow bigger than 600. I forgot that I did that in the beginning. So if we take that out, everything should be fine. Yeah. There you go. Okay. Sorry, you know, sometimes you make mistakes and then you find it, you know, later on, which is fine. And, you know, I'm gonna keep that there because some of you guys, y'all need to see that, you know, code is not perfect. Sometimes you make mistakes and then you go back to it and you fix it. You know, nobody's perfect. I'm over here coding this thing live, you know, so no preparation or nothing. I'm just straight up coding. All right, let's see. Description. Okay, where are we at? Likes. Oops. Oh, man, this. I swear, dealing with this keyboard, I'm so used to the Mac, it's annoying. Okay, let me see. Likes. See, where is it? Car photos, likes, and then font size 12 pixels. Okay, something's wrong. It's not resizing itself. Okay, let me see. I'll put the likes inside the description. This is like a size 14. Font weight 700, which means we want to make it bold. thing should be reloading. Something's wrong. Okay, sometimes there might be a little hiccup with, you know, Linux. This doesn't happen on a Mac. By the way. Yeah. Alright, so let's say we're gonna give this some space. We're gonna do 15 pixels. Padding bottom 15 pixels. Yeah, let's keep it like that. It's probably less than that. Probably do like a little 10 pixels. Yeah, that's better. All right, after that, let's say description. What else? Comments. Let's do inside the comments. Let's do the same thing. You know, your boy Thirst Bucket, but let's just copy this, keep it simple, even though I'm repeating myself, but it's fine. Okay, let me see, let's remove this from the paragraph. Let's say for this, do the same thing here. Alright, let's do, where is it? Kuru, change her name to Karuchi. And then what else? All right, so we got the form. All right, so what else we have here? Dealing with the form, and okay, so it's like one icon, input field, and another icon. So let's do that. Let's do it by percentages, right? Class heart, class heart, div class comment, class container, no, not container, options, now let's let's see what else. Class heart. We gotta go back to font awesome.com. Let's get this. Okay. Text, and then in here we're going to do type text. All right, what else? Now we say so then we could do something like this. You know what? We could actually make this a form. Instead of us calling it a class form, let's make it a form. Just in case if we really wanted to, you know, post something to a database or anything, or you guys might want to use it for something. I don't know. That's up to you guys. Yeah. So let me see. What else we got left? We got add comment. All right. Now, what else should we do to this thing? Let's style it, right? Yeah, looks like shit right now. But after we finish this and we fix it up, it's gonna be legit. So let's do this. What was it? Index. We named this class form. I mean, we could still target it by just saying form. Okay. And basically, we do that heart with, let's say, 20%. Add comment. We could do it. Let's say with 60%. Yeah, 60. Then options, we do, in fact, let's do this 15 and with 15%. Now let's do display inline block, because right now it's in a block, so that's why it takes that whole space. Each one takes the whole space, but when you do inline block, you're basically telling it, hey, go inline but still become a block. All right. Why this thing is loading? It's like getting stuck. All right. Now add comment. Let's do input with 100%. All right. Then let's bring this up for each icon. Let's bring them up. Let's say FA, which is going to target all the icons. Let's say font size 24. that big enough? Yeah, I think that's big enough. Matter of fact, now let's do a little padding on this. Now the hearts. Position, relative, top, 5 pixels. Let's say 3 pixels. All right. Now we're going to do this. We're going to say on this, we're going to say placeholder. Let's put this, make this thing actually smaller. Where is it? Heart. Let's say 7%. Yeah. Now this thing we gotta fix, because we have a fixed width on this thing, so it's not being responsive. All right. Now okay, for now let's not worry about responsive until the next one, next video. But let's keep on fixing this thing, moving it to the side. All right, let me see, options, float, right, and then let's do something like this. Let's make this even more smaller. Yeah. Let's say FA position, relative, top, 3 pixels. Yeah, that's looking better. Alright, now this, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna say like this. See how this thing looks. Add a comment. A comment. And then fonts, input for, okay, input. We're gonna say padding, 5 pixels, font weight, 16 pixels, which should be the default, so that should be fine. border 0 pixels. Alright. Well, this thing has an HR right here, right? So we could do that easily. We could just come here and say there you go. So let me see. There you go. That's what I'm talking about, kid. All right, and then you know when you want, you could just right there, whatever, right? So yeah, so we just styled it up. Alright, we basically got it done. Alright guys, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, man. You already know it's your boy Joe back at it again. Bow. GGG, you already know it's your boy Joe back at it again, man. Listen, make sure you subscribe and make sure you like this video, man. By the way, if you want to know exactly what courses I took to become a web developer, they're right there in the description. It's no secret, it's nothing crazy, it's no secret gift that I had. It's just pretty much I took the courses. They're pretty cheap, they're like $15 each on specials, and just listen, man, change your life, change your lifestyle. Do something fun and something cool that you could call a career. Bow.